Okay, and guys, this lecture is very important, and today discuss here a very important lecture. All motion study and all bodies. Okay, at first select this and click this. Okay, and at first select this body is fully. One time is rotation here, and also all part is one by one is exploded, and automatic all part is a collapse here. But this is a very important, and all parts is one by one is drafting and drawing here. But this is a today discuss here okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this situation is very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and at first all parts is one by one is drawing here, and then last is this all parts is assemble here. And this is a today discuss here this body is motion and rotation. Again select this and this is a very important lecture. Okay, and all parts is one by one is exploded. And this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and automatic all parts is a collapse here. This situation is very nice looking here. Okay, all parts is collapse here. Perfect. And guys, this is a very nice looking here, and this body is a okay, this is a perfect and correct. Select this and also select this body and this body, and select also this body. Okay, and also select this body and this body, and select also this body. Okay, and select this okay, select this body. Okay, not select this body is a delete here. Okay, also select this okay, and select this okay, and also select this and this, and this rod is a this. Okay, not select here, this is a delete here, and select upper side this and this. Okay, and click OK, and color is a keep cap color is not, click here, then color is a not showing here, click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and then this body is rotate here, then up and down you can see here easily drawing here. And okay, this is a down here, then this body is a down. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a down, and okay, this is a this body is a down here and up. Okay, this is a click this and this body is down and this body is up, and rotation is a okay, this is down and up. Okay, this is a rotation is a this is a rotate here up, and this is a down. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and slow motion